All right, so since we're getting ready for summertime, I decided once upon a time I would write a summer song because not a lot of people have songs about kiddie pools. And if someone ever ran off on me or one of my friends, I figured we would need to have ourselves a really good backup plan. And since I live in a trailer part-time, it's only natural that I have a kiddie pool and a garden hose and my 2 dogs. So I wrote this song about the kiddie pool. It goes like this. Call me up one more time with some lame excuse. Truck broke down on the edge of town, swore it was the truth. It don't matter 'cause I know better, I've heard his lies before. If he comes by he'll be surprised I'm locking my front door. I'm in the kiddie pool with a garden hose out in my backyard. Looks like he stood me up again, bet he thinks I'm taking it hard. I'm playing it cool, doing alright, stereo on and Christmas lights, Patsy Cline and a bottle of wine underneath the stars. I'm in the kiddie pool with a garden hose out in my backyard. Probably drinking beer with his buddies at the local honky-tonk. Says he's gonna give it up, but I know he won't. This ain't no pity party, I'm having the last laugh. Me and my 2 cow dogs, we're gonna make a splash. In the kiddie pool with a garden hose out in my backyard. Looks like he stood me up again, bet he thinks I'm taking it hard. I'm playing it cool, doing alright, stereo on and Christmas lights, Patsy Cline and a bottle of wine underneath the stars. I'm in the kiddie pool with a garden hose out in my backyard. Alright, well now it's gonna get even better. Well, it's a classy kind of trailer park, they don't give a rip. So about midnight I might turn out the lights and take a skinny dip. Just me and them dogs. In the kiddie pool with a garden hose out in my backyard. Looks like he stood me up again, bet he thinks I'm taking it hard. I'm playing it cool, doing alright, stereo on and Christmas lights, Patsy Cline and a bottle of wine underneath the stars. I'm in the kiddie pool with a garden hose out in my backyard. Well, thank God there's a kiddie pool and a garden hose